How to export images with transparent backgrounds in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, select Edit Photo and choose the image you want to work with, or tap the camera icon to capture a new one. Once your photo is loaded, tap on the Cutout tool from the bottom menu. You can either use the Auto option to remove the background instantly by selecting options like Portion or Background, or manually brush over the subject using the Brush, Erase or Restore tools for precise control. After removing the background, make sure your subject is clearly separated and there are no extra areas left behind. Once you are satisfied with the cutout, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Now, to export it with a transparent background, tap on the save icon at the top right corner. From the export options, select PNG format. This is important because PNG supports transparent backgrounds while JPEG doesn't. And that's it. Now you know how to export images with transparent backgrounds in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.